I'm Aaron. It's day 42 remote control car. So the connections are, there are two connections. Transmitter connections are input 1 to the button and input 2 to the switch. And for receiver connections, and this also needs battery. Transmitter to the battery and receiver to the battery, and input 4 to input 1 on the controller, and input 3 to input 2 on the controller, and both of them needs batteries. Wait, where's this one? So both of them needs batteries. So here are the concepts. I'm showing this. If button are on, if both switch and button is on, it will move straight. If only switch is on, it will move left. Right. If nothing is on, it will stop. If button is on, it will move left.
Show forward.
So forward is both switch and button. The switch is right. Nothing is stop. Button is left. Got it?
Make it go forward.
Now this is forward. So now these are the program.
Turn off the switch.
This is the program.
Turn off the switch.
And turn on the switch. Okay. So now this is the program.
In Ardu?
In Ardu block. We took Ardu block, we copy pasted it and copy pasted it Arduino
And uploaded.
and uploaded it.